Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
So what's up everybody? म चाहिँ आज बिकज आई मिन दिल्ली आज म चाहिँ एउटा एक्सपेरिमेन्ट भनौँ कि मेरो भ्लगिङको एउटा भनौँ न एक्सपेरिमेन्ट जस्तै ट्राई गर्न गइरहेको छु होइन। आई मिन द स्ट्रिट्स अफ दिल्ली, यो पहाडगञ्ज भन्ने ठाउँ हो। अनि यहाँ चाहिँ म आइम गोना एक्ट लाइक होइन, आइम गोना रियली एक्ट लाइक भ्लगिङ लाइक हेरल्ड बेल्डर। इफ यु डोन्ट नो हेरल्ड बेल्डर, बेल्डर इफ आई प्रोनाउन्स इट राइट, अनि आइम गोना put his links in the description below, in the maybe in the description and maybe in the comment section I'll pin it. अनि उहाँको जस्तो भ्लग गरेर मैले चाहिँ maybe I'm gonna hunt something, some product, maybe watches or maybe sunglasses हुन सक्छ होइन। म चाहिँ एउटा हन्ट गरेर एउटा भिडियो उहाँको जस्तै बनाउन सक्छु र the only difference between him and me will be मलाई एकदमै राम्रोसँग एकदमै फ्लुएन्टसँग हिन्दी बोल्न आउँछ। आइएम रियली फ्लुएन्ट इन हिन्दी। म बोर्डरमा बसेको मान्छे, बट तिनीहरूलाई थाहा हुँदैन त शपकिपर्स, द स्टलवाला दाइहरूलाई, दे माइट नट नो। आइम गोना रियली एक्ट लाइक सम फरेनर्स ट्राइङ टु भ्लग इन दिल्ली। अनि लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज। मलाई एउटा चस्मा पनि चाहिएको छ, सो लेट्स सी कुन चाहिँ चस्मा भिडिन्छ हातमा। मेबी घडी हुन्छ कि के हुन्छ, जे हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ हेरौँ। सो here we go. Maybe I'm gonna try this stall out. Excuse me, sir.
Why?
How do we get these glasses?
Why? Which one glasses?
Which one is the best you got?
Better, maybe
I
700.
mean, these are very good, right?
Yeah, maybe.
How much?
600, 700 something.
Damn, 600 is too much expensive. It's outrageous. Come on.
Why?
You make me a good deal, and I'm gonna take it one.
How many pieces you want?
Just one.
How much you pay?
How much do you have? And let's see.
Maximum maybe 600 and something.
6, 7 would be too much. I mean, in this place, 6, 7 would be like. I'll get an original one, right?
But I have real original Ray-Ban. Real I have so. No
You
problem.
have original one.
That's
Let's
my
see.
store shop there.
This is your store, so okay.
Many
What is
shops.
this? Okay, this is Gautam Buddha.
Yeah. That shop, my shop there.
So that's your shop.
Yeah, my
And
shop.
this?
This is my big, small brother.
This is your brother.
Yeah, my
Oh,
brother.
all right. So can we see some glasses on then?
How much you pay?
I'm gonna have to see the glasses to pay. I mean, what kinds of glasses do we have? Come on, let's do it first. I mean, they want me to say the price first and then.
450.
Okay, this one's how much?
450.
Oh my God, this is so freaking
So
expensive.
nice, yeah.
I will get these glasses in my country very cheap. Okay, you look handsome though. How much? 300 is too much.
How much you pay? You buy, I give you.
You cannot increase the price just because I'm talking in English. I mean,
Last price 300 for you.
300 will be too much.
No.
Everything for 300.
No business.
I mean, these 100 glasses for 300.
Yeah, 100 girls, but maybe 3,000.
Let me check out some other stalls. If I get a bad deal, I'll come back to here.
How much you pay?
I'm gonna pay how much? I mean, these are just plastics.
Yeah, how many
These will
pieces?
break.
How many pieces you want?
I just want one for myself. I mean, this doesn't even suit me, does it?
You got 200, you buy, I give you a better price for you. Last final. In one buy nothing.
200.
Yeah, 600.
All I can afford for this is maybe how much? 50, 60 rupees. I'll get anywhere.
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay, then I'm gonna see another stalls. If I don't get a good deal, I'll come back. Phew. So actually, they were quite cheap, but even the material was very cheap. म पनि किन इङ्ग्लिसमा बोलिरहेको होला के अरे यस्ता सस्तो ग्लासेसहरू थियो होइन। हुन्छ नि बनेको नै तपाईँको के भन्छ त्यसलाई प्लास्टिक के एकदमै त्यो ब्याड प्लास्टिक हुँदैन त्यो। मलाई 50 रुपियाँ 60 रुपियाँ नेपालीमै पाउने जस्तो। स्टिल अलि अगाडितिरको स्टलहरू लेट्स सी कस्तो हुन्छ। इफ आई एम टु ब्याड एट एक्सेन्ट आइम सो सरी बिकज आइम जस्ट ट्राइङ टु कपी द्याट गाई हेरल्ड बेल्डर। यस सर, एभन कल मी। So I'm just trying to like copy Harold Ballard, and let's see if I can get anything else. Let's do it. Yes, sir. What do we have?
Helicopter की होना
Helicopter. What's this? Holy shit! This is a helicopter then now. How much for this? I'm not a child though, but still it looks very. Oh, yes.
250.
400. We keep it with you then.
How many pieces?
No, just keep it with you. I don't want it. I want the glasses. You just have it. I don't want it. Come on, take it. They're not even taking it. Come on. I don't need it. How much could the
This is very good quality.
I'm a child. Am I a child? Okay, I'm gonna try it. So how do I look? Let's see. Wow, how much? 450. I can buy a whole glass showroom for 450, you know. So you please take it with you.
How much this one?
I don't want it. Yes. So 450 is an outrageous price for me. This is really not what I am. Because I'm handsome. That's why. That's why it's good looking. Everything suits on me. How much for this? No, this is too much.
1 minute
Okay. Do I look handsome? Yes. I absolutely look handsome. There's no doubt. But okay, take this one. How much for this?
450 sir glass item
Okay, it was made in Italy. Really? It's from
Yeah.
Italy. Oh, it's from India. Yep, Italy.
yes
It's definitely not from Italy.
it's brown
Okay, I know brown doesn't suit on me well. I don't like brown glasses. Sorry.
Look at
I like this black one, but still. What are you selling here? Juice. All right. What kind of juices? Oh, all right. So how much for this? All right. How much for this piece of plastic?
quality
Good quality. I can see it's really BS quality. That's bullshit. But still, I can pay about 50 to 60. How much?
400 okay 50.
400 will be too outrageous. All I can do is about 50 rupees. So this guy is laughing at me. Come on, why? No? This glass is really
This helicopter?
helicopter is. I'm not a child to play like it. These kind of babies play with this, right?
How much?
This I want. I was like attracted to the. But this is so outrageous. Like 400 rupees. 400 is like too much. Even in my country, I'm actually from Sudan. How much? No, I can't pay for like 70 rupees, maybe. This guy's again laughing at me. Come on. All right, thank you very much. Then I'll try another one.
hello
So still, yeah, hello. Yes.
Hello.
Okay, this bends. This really bends. But does this suit me? I look like an alien, right? No, I want another one, bigger one. Okay. This is the same kind of plastic that we had. Yes. Max, all right. So yes, I look pretty good because that's because of my face and not because of this glasses, I guess. So how much price do you have for this?
Yes, 750
Oh, holy moly, that's too much.
only glass here no this glass
I don't care what it is. I mean, it's not about. I know it's quality. It's not 700. I mean, it's too much. No, I don't want it.
how much
It's too much. I mean, I cannot even like make a deal with you. Like 700 is too freaking much.
okay
How much? 50, 60? I'll give it for.
okay 700
700, 50, 60, 70. Tell me like this.
how much
50 rupees.
what this is Raven company this is Raven
This is
No
original
problem.
one.
This
Is
Raven
this original
company.
one?
Very nice good quality
I know it is good quality, but it is not the original.
this is a first copy the good quality
All right, but this is too expensive for me. I cannot afford it. I'm so
how
sorry.
much
I told you my price, like 60, 70.
how much
60, 70, maybe?
no 60,
No?
70.
Then I'm sorry. It's all right.
Price.
I'll come back later if I have any.
Okay,
if
how
I
much?
if I have any.
good price
I told you my good price. That was my last price.
how much good price
Maybe 80 now. Last price. All right. 80. 80
no
rupees.
problem, no problem
Yes.
350 my cost okay 400 Last
400
price.
is too freaking much for me.
how much
That guy here's a little bit. Yeah, maybe younger than you. He was selling me for like 60, 70 rupees. I don't get it.
how much good price
70 rupees. So it's all right then.
good price my friends 1 minute
So you were the one selling me
hello
Glasses, right?
Okay, this same price.
Same price. So you were telling me something cheaper than this guy. This guy is making it expensive. Like he called it 700.
Okay, 400.
That guy was you were telling something like 50 rupees, right? A little bit back then. I came here. I do remember you.
Promise, no shitting.
I do remember you. You were telling me about 50 rupees, right?
100 बोला था.
No, you were.
100 बोला था, 50 नहीं बोला, 100 बोला.
I don't understand. You were telling me for 50 rupees, I guess.
अरे good quality, okay, right.
It's not nice. I mean,
Okay, last price to tell me.
he was giving me for 50. Can you give me for 50 again?
How much? Good price.
The last price I can give is 70 rupees. That's all I can.
How much?
70, I'm telling you.
70.
Yeah,
This is my last price, 150. Okay.
150 will be not. Okay, keep it with you then. I'll search for another one. Maybe they'll yeah. 70. Okay, 80 final. My last price will be 80. No. Okay. It's all right then.
Okay.
So it's actually really very expensive out here. The quality, yeah.
100 दोगे?
Yes.
100.
I told you my last price. 50, 60, 70. All right then. Not even 100. I cannot. I mean, अलिकति अगाडि आएको बेला मैले कतिमा पाएँ भन्दाखेरि लास्टमा कति भन्दाखेरि 50 हो के भन्दै थियो हैन मलाई. अहिले चाहिँ हुन्छ नि क्यामेरासँग देखेपछि यस 700 huh? You start from 700 really. एकदम गाह्रो रहेछ यहाँ अंग्रेजी बोल्नेहरुको लागि. दिल्लीमा मैले शपिङ गरेर के थाहा पाएँ भन्दाखेरि हैन, you don't always go to the shops के. Sometimes stall is very much cheaper and they have the same quality. I mean, त्यो ठेलाहरुबाट हैन, ठेलाहरुबाट चाहिँ तिनीहरुले किनेर दोकानमा राखेर they just exaggerate their prices. हुन्छ नि, they just increase those same products in prices just because they are in a different place now. So apparently while I was searching for those glasses stalls, I ended up coming across the whole market. I mean, it was a vegetable market and there are no shops anymore. So I guess we gotta go back. I mean, there are no any shops left to bother. So yeah, maybe this is the place, the dead end, I guess. So yeah, let's go back. So everyone is staring me like I'm gonna eat them. It's a good practice for me, huh? This place is freaking colorful. Lights everywhere. So actually we're gonna ask that guy first who was... So the little brother, are you ready to give me for 80 rupees? Are you ready for it? Have you made up your mind?
200.
Still 200? Still not gonna change? It's fixed price now?
Not 500, 600, only 200.
You might have like something for me which is under 100, maybe 60, 70, 80 or 90 I can afford.
Children one.
Children one? I don't believe it. This is for how much?
100 rupees, children.
100 rupees. This one?
Yeah.
I cannot believe it. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No.
Hello.
No yes in that. So you're not gonna give me for 90? None? Alright, so I'm gonna ask. 90 was my last price. I can give you. Yeah, call me 5 more times maybe. Yes, shout. So they are just calling me. They just call anyone who speaks in English, who holds a camera, who is well dressed. They just call them and maybe hand over them something and don't take it back until they pay for it. So I'm not that kind of guy. Let's see for this shop if I can get a good deal out of those glasses. They also have watches here. So can I see some watches? Watches. How much is the price for them? How much is your price? Tell me. So they are actually telling me that I'm trying in every single place and they don't want to believe. How much for this? This doesn't suit me well.
Yeah.
This doesn't suit me well. So they actually have recognized me and they're telling that I don't want like that. I want something classic. Something classic. Is this the best one you got? The best one. No, this is not the best one, I guess. Maybe this one or maybe this one. How much?
450.
Yeah? 450? It's really very expensive. I'm not gonna pay 450 for this.
200.
Oh, I might see some glasses then. No, it's all right. I'm gonna see sunglasses. These. Which one? Ray-Ban?
No, only first topic.
First what? How much this?
350.
That guy was giving me for 100 rupees.
This 150.
Can I get this for 100?
Okay, 200.
100.
Okay, done 150.
That guy was giving me for 90, I guess.
Okay, give me.
100. Final price. All right. So it's a good deal. Do you get boxes with these? Do you have any boxes too?
Huh?
Oh, this one is the box, I guess. Okay. They're giving me in that plastic thing. All right. So bye bye my 100 rupees. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for making the deal. This guy is a good guy here. Come on. Okay. Thanks for the deal. So I got this for 100, which is in my country 160 rupees, and it is I guess it is a fair price. A little more than what I supposed it should have been, but still it works. So shopping in Delhi, huh? So yeah, thanks for watching. I mean, if you want something like this, maybe please comment, and I'm gonna try it in Nepalese market next time. Have a good day. Have a good night. Actually, I was out here in the day and it's already night.